Welcome to my YouTube channel. Like I always tell you guys, if you're not already subscribed, please stop watching right now and subscribe to my channel. It goes a long way. I really appreciate everyone who's been supporting me, but let's get into it. Today is drywall day. Today is day one of drywall, and I'm very excited to get this going. So I'm gonna show you guys the materials that we purchased, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the whole process of the drywall stage. Let me show you guys the materials we got. Come on, let's go. So I know for my building pros out there, they're probably gonna say that I'm supposed to do siding before I do drywall. I know, but I did this intentionally. Basically, my fiance's father is coming to town and he's really good with his hands. So I really needed the building and the inside to be ready for paint and for us to do certain things in the inside. So I got my siding crew coming shortly after the drywall was done. So I know what I'm doing for you experts out there. But if you would like to drop something in the comment to tell me more information and what your thoughts are, please go ahead and drop it down. But let me show you guys so far. So yesterday, we went into Home Depot. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yesterday, we went into Home Depot and we got 48 sheets of drywall. So my drywall crew already hung the first 2 sheets up, and I asked them to poke holes for the lights so when the electrician comes, he can know what he needs to do and what spot he's gonna put the lights at. So yeah, and then yesterday we also bought these here. I don't know what it is, but I think it's mud in. And then it's like with drywall, it's a whole process. It's you hang it, then you have to tape it, then you have to mud it, then you have to sand it, then you have to get it ready to finish. So I'm going to show you guys the whole phase of how long it's going to take from start to finish to drywall 416 square feet tiny house. Looking good. So I think the goal for today, for day one, is to hang up all the drywall. During this building of my tiny house, I showed you guys a lot. I showed you guys how to pour concrete. I showed you guys what the whole framing process looks like. Now I'm showing you guys the drywall phase. Which phase do you guys like the most? And do you want to get started in doing something like this? So I plan on putting a light here. So we're gonna go uno, dos, tres. What's 4? Cuatro, cinco. I really appreciate the people who's been tuning in and watching the videos. So let me show you guys around so you can see the before and the after. The ceiling is almost done with the hanging of the drywall. So this part of the process we're in is called hanging. So you're just basically hanging all the drywall, getting it ready for the next phase. But let me show you guys. So I know earlier I showed you guys like the insulation, but I ended up buying more insulation. And if you could see, I insulated these walls also. Like I said in the last video, it's up to you if you want to insulate the bathroom. Like you can't fail inspection, but then if you're cold, that's your problem. So I ended up focusing my insulation on here. And then I also insulated the remaining insulation here. But yeah, so you guys see this is with it with no drywall, no finishing. This is the naked bathroom right now. Naked, you get the joke? But anyway, this is the bathroom. No drywall is up. Nothing is up. And these cement boards is gonna go around here. And the remainder will be drywall. And then the next process will be putting the tile and getting the bathroom in this building to look nice. And then if you come to the bedroom, you guys see the process. There's no drywall on the ceiling. There's no drywall here. This is just it without nothing. But eventually it's gonna look beautiful. It's gonna be almost ready. So you guys see the closet where the water heater is going. There's no drywall at all. In the ceiling, you see there's no drywall. For those of you guys who want to get into this, it's not an easy process. You have to really be patient. You have to make sure that you're vetting out your subcontractors. You got to make sure that you're using the right people because it could cause delays. Like in my past videos, you've seen that I've been delayed plenty of times, but I kept moving. So you really have to have dedication. You can't give up. You have to keep going to move your project along. But there's really a lot of parts before you could even get to the drywall stage. Like I showed you guys, you have to get permits. You have to put in plans. You have to get your plans done. You have to do a site plan. You have to do building plans. So there's a lot of things you have to do before you get to the drywall stage. This took a long time for us to get to this stage, but I'm happy that we're finally at this stage and it's looking good. Once the drywall is up, then your house starts really getting character. So this tiny house is really gonna start looking like the almost finished product of what it's supposed to look like. But yeah, so drywall will be around this whole building and it'll look nice and hung. So it's been a couple hours since my drywallers came, and let's go see what they did so far. You about to do that whole thing right here?
Yes.
I want to do some more, man.
This one.
Oh, you put that? Okay.
Yeah.
When I be seeing my subcontractors go crazy like this, I be wanting to, you know what I mean? Start becoming. I be wanting to put it on the tool bag, and I be wanting to get to work. Honestly. Looks good. Looks good. Now I know why in my main house, sometimes I'll be seeing screws. Just so much screws to hang drywall, honestly. A lot of screws that go into this. Beautiful, though. If you guys like what I've been showing you so far, please stop and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. You guys can see the ceiling of the living room / kitchen is basically hung. We have the lights showing. So electricians can find it easily. And then you can see this is done. So both ceilings has been done. Has been hung. And if you come over here, now we're working in the bedroom. So a lot's been done so far. And it's really looking good. Louis, can I try one? Yeah. Where, man? Where? Here? Try one more. Try one more. Right here? Yeah. You sure? Yes. One more. Show me the last place. Where's the last one? Where? Right here. Thank you, man. I'm messing up my drywall. I'm done. Thank you. But yeah, it's looking good. What do you guys think? You guys seen it from the whole start. So what do you guys think? Wow. Anything's possible, really. Now we're gonna box that. Gonna be in boxes. Yeah. Keep watching. I hope you guys like what I've been showing you, but this is how a house is built. How a tiny house is built, matter of fact. So guys, this is a crucial part of my drywalling stage I wanted to point out. So when my framers came to box up the plumbing pipes, they did it crookedly, and my drywaller noticed this and he pointed it out to me. He gave me the option for him to either fix it or for me to get my framers back on site. Well, I spent so much money on this build that I just let him fix it, and I paid the additional charge just because I wanted it done professionally and I wanted it to look nice. So what you guys are seeing is him working on getting it up to par and making it look aesthetically pleasing.